My name is Ashley Rivera, and I'm a general surgeon with the Oregon Clinic Westside Surgical Specialists. I didn't grow up with anyone around me in medicine. It just was something that as a kid I was like, oh, I'm gonna be a doctor. I grew up doing a lot of sewing and stitching, and so I think it came a little bit naturally to me to end up in a surgical field. The idea of really being able to help someone feel better by fixing something, by having that hands-on approach to really correcting a problem was very enticing when I went into medicine. So as a general surgeon, we do anything from emergency general surgery, so people coming into the hospital with appendicitis or gallbladder problems, hernias, and then all the way to clinic, meeting people and discussing elective surgeries. So it's a wide range of variety on a day-to-day basis. We're able to do so much now with smaller incisions, less recovery, and you really see people who are very debilitated prior and after their recovery are back to a much better quality of life. So when you have those experiences where people came in, weren't feeling well, you perform something technically, and then they get better is the whole reason that I'm fortunate to do this job. I think that when I see a patient, my goal is to make them feel comfortable and then give them the time they need to process and really understand what their options are. Because sometimes surgery is not the best path for a patient, but giving them all the knowledge that they need to make that decision is really important. I knew I wanted to stay in the Pacific Northwest, so was fortunate to find a job here in Portland as a general surgeon right out of residency. We knew the community, we had some friends up here, but it's really a great center for outdoor activities and lots to do in terms of just a good work-life balance overall.